What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you into Huck's World, and I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. That, yes, it is, people. It's free for the taking. A nice, casual, dress down wear, geared toward fitness and ready for the weekend. Now, this developer for a free watch face, this guy got down on this one. Now, the name of it is called OV3 hybrid watch face. Now, I like the look. I do like the design of this watch face. I like the fact that everything is very legible for an analog/digital watch face, which means you get the best of both worlds. Now, once the watch face is in the AOD mode for the Gear 3, the Galaxy Watch, the Gear Sport, it's going to have the same look and design. For the Gear 2, it's going to be slightly different, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, your step status is all in one place, is at the top. You'll be able to get your step info, your heart rate. You'll be able to go into, of course, your settings. You'll get floors climbed. You'll also be able to tap into your calories burned. Now, you come down where the bar is, where it's lit up, you got your date, you got the day of the week, you got how many days into the year you're in, and also how many weeks you're into the year. Now, what stood out to me about this watch face is that I keep up with my steps. Now, this meter right here is going to let you know how much of your goal you have completed. I thought that was a nice touch to blend in to your step information right at the top. Not bad at all. Now, you come down, we'll be able to get your battery info flanked to the left. You'll be able to get your music player. Also, to the right, you'll be able to go in and get your weather. Now, you come down, you will get your digital time, again, your battery info, and if I tap right here, I'll be able to go in and set an alarm as well. So I thought this was a good look for a watch face, and yes, it is interactive, so if I want to tap into my steps, I can go into my calorie burn, my heart rate information, and if I tap right here, I can go into my settings and tweak my watch however I see fit. I can tap here and get, of course, my calendar, and I could tap here, it brings up the calendar as well. Now, here is going to give me my battery info, and if I tap here, I'll be able to go in and set an alarm, and my music, and of course, my weather. So I thought this was a good look. Now, it doesn't stop there, because if I double tap, I'll be able to go in and customize the color theme of the watch face to whatever color I want. You're going to get 14 different colors in all. And I'm telling you, this is not bad for a free casual watch face. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. What did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button on the way out, because it does help out the channel. All right, you all, go ahead, finish enjoying your weekend, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.